Hello, John from Armalloy of Western PA. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about why Armalloy coats a lot of linear rails and bearing components. Not only does Armalloy make the surface harder, slipperier, and give it a better corrosion resistance, but it goes on 1 to 210 stick, so you know everything's going to fit back together, has absolute adhesion, isn't going to flake, chip, or peel. Uh, One of the most commonly thought things when you do a bearing application is you're trying to cut the coefficient of friction. And yes, that does do that. So if your bearing does run dry, you have that extra protection. But the most important thing about coating bearings is for the corrosion resistance. Armalloy coated components have a comparable corrosion resistance to a 400 stainless steel. So this actually enhances your corrosion resistance for what commonly happens as a clean down. Most of the time, linear rails and bearing surfaces are in a food processing plant, pharmaceutical plant, something like that. So it's what you clean down with, which you actually take a nice linear rail and turn it rusty very quickly. So one of the things I always ask for when I'm talking about a bearing application like that is, please give me the MSDS on what you clean down with, and that way I know whether this is going to be a good fit for you. If you have something like that and you want us to take a look at it, go to our contact page, upload a file, your contact information. We'll be happy to take a look at your information, make sure it's a good fit for you, and get you a price for what it would cost to coat the components. And again, thank you for visiting Armalloy of Western PA.